and welcome back to another episode of Make with Flick. Today we're making homemade gummy worms. We found this awesome recipe online to make them. And all you need is orange peels. We're so lucky to leave an orange peel back. Next what you do is you wash them. Then you'll peel them so they look like this. Next you cut them into these super thin slices. Now we're gonna put these in a pot, which we're gonna simmer them in for 15 minutes. Can you believe we're gonna turn these into gummy worms? Now we're gonna drain and rinse the orange peels off. Now we're gonna simmer the orange peels again with equal parts sugar and water. I just took them off the stove. They've been simmering for 30 minutes. Now they're almost ready to eat. We just need to let them cool off. They look amazing. Very sticky. This much was made by 2 oranges. We'll give you our honest opinion on how they taste after they cool off. Honestly, they're pretty sweet, but their texture is very gummy worm-like. P.S. The sticky syrup makes great lipstick. Anyways, it was really fun making it.
And what'd you learn how to make?
Candied oranges, or gummy worms.